Ronaldo to hit it. Oh, brilliant! Absolutely brilliant! We are witnessing an exhibition tonight.
Reira por la parte izquierda, Ronaldo va a tirar Ronaldo. ¡Oh, qué gol, señores! ¡Qué golazo Ronaldo! ¡Qué golazo Ronaldo!
El toque de nuevo para Lucas, llegó, ¡golazo! ¡Golazo! De pie el mundo entero, Cristiano. Mr. Champions 2, Juventus 0.
Aiming for a 10-point lead at the top of the Spanish Championship. Cristiano Ronaldo! Something special for his hat-trick goal.
Well, I tell you what, Rob, you're not going to see much better goals than that. What a hat-trick and what a third goal. Unbelievable movement, his skill, the power, the technique.
Here he comes. Oh, my word! Can you believe the genius of this man? What a hit! David James stood like a statue.
Hungry for a sixth. And stolen here by Liedson. It's Ronaldo who's getting there first. It's 6 for Portugal. And Cristiano Ronaldo has his first competitive international goal for 2 years.
Now Di Maria. Oh, it's a wonderful header. It is a truly wonderful header. The man nurtured by Manchester United.
In the Pep Guardiola reign.
Oh,
what a strike!
Goodness.
Wonderful goal from Cristiano Ronaldo. The goalkeeper was rendered a mere spectator as it bulged the back of the net. Here's Ronaldo. Hit it well!
Oh, my goodness.
What a goal! And that's even better than his first. It was simply unstoppable. Breathtaking stuff. In from Alexandro, and what about that? From Cristiano Ronaldo. Towering header to make it 10 for the season.
Here he comes. Oh, he struck it well. Oh, my word, what a goal. That seals it. Arrivederci Arsenal. United are going to Rome. 2-0 on the night. 3-0 on aggregate. 2 away goals.
Left cross for Ronaldo. Heads it across.
Hat-trick with the head. Now this one is his best. Set up beautifully from Gareth Bale. It's a lovely ball, but he's got it all to do from a very difficult angle, Cristiano. He's asking for it. Feed me, baby. Look at this head.
Cristiano Ronaldo. Und er kann's genauso gut, wenn nicht noch besser.
Here comes, it's towards Ronaldo, it's over his head actually, it drops to Ronaldo, flicked it and scores! Can you stop this man? He's reached 35 for the season. Cristiano Ronaldo with an impudent flick and United lead 1-0.
Lost all but one of their games. As Ronaldo scores! Well, the goalkeeper had a long time to see that, Sergio Alvarez. And at the same end, where Ronaldo scored from a long-range free kick at the weekend against Real Sociedad, another goalkeeper is deceived.
Bonucci, profondo per Ronaldo, Ronaldo! Ronaldo! Immenso Cristiano Ronaldo! Chi se non lui al 20° la sblocca, 121 gol in Champions League.
Ronaldo, why not have a go? He has done! Oh my word, what a goal! Cristiano Ronaldo returns to Portugal and scores a stunning goal, and United have the advantage in the tie. That might just be goal of the season.
Look at the centre of goal. Has to turn it on a back heel from Cristiano Ronaldo. That is a fantastic goal from Cristiano Ronaldo. Such invention, such creativity, and it trickles through past the goalkeeper. Takes a deflection. It's into the path of Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo turns into trouble. Brilliant footwork. Amazing goal for Cristiano Ronaldo. Vintage Ronaldo. He's the man. Suddenly red shirts flooding back. Chance for Cristiano Ronaldo! 2-2. And Ronaldo becomes the first player to score at 4 different European Championship finals. Toni Kroos, look up to see what's on. Cut back for Ronaldo! Oh, what a goal. Sensational finish! And it just had to be him to release the tension. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Excellent defending. Now Cristiano Ronaldo. They can only stand and stare at his brilliance. They're putting a deposit on the trophy. And even for superstars like the Real Madrid team, you can see what it matters to them.
Or nothing. Ronaldo, it's fantastic! What a goal!
Coming in, Isco, soft chip for Ronaldo, deflects, knocked home! The goal goes home by Ronaldo, and Real's up. He's got his hat trick.
Once again, Athletic Club's defence scores missing.
Rafael Guerrero with the cross. Ronaldo! Cristiano Ronaldo breaks the deadlock. His 10th goal at the European Championship Finals.
Parti, c'est cadré. Oh là là, oh là là, oh là là. Cristiano Ronaldo. Une frappe à rapide, à la Juninho. Frappe à la Juninho.
Ronaldo, they all back away from him again and he shoots. Oh, it's got in. A second goal, a thunderbolt from Ronaldo. Real Madrid are looking unbeatable here. Well, Fernandes will be disappointed about that. Against the big build-up from the supporters. Oh, you beauty! And that's why he's the costliest footballer on the planet.
Nicely disguised ball on by Contral. Here's Ronaldo. Lovely skill. Cristiano Ronaldo. A goal of the highest quality from the Portugal captain.
Bit erratic this year.
Magical.
This one drops in.
And
forget erratic. It's ecstasy.
Astonishing! This is not just a dream, it's a wet dream of orgasmic proportions.
Greenwood chuckling. Ronaldo! Oh, he wouldn't do it again! He surely hasn't done it again! He has just...
Ronaldo! Oh, it's in! But how did it get through? Claudio Bravo!
And Cristiano, what can he do? Backheels it, and they allow it to go through, and that's Cristiano's goal. And everyone will be delighted at that. The backheel from Cristiano Ronaldo.
It is Ronaldo. Oh, what a goal! What a strike from Ronaldo. Goalkeeper didn't move. What a screamer. Game over.
Decent save. Ronaldo's in there. It's a goal. Took a deflection on its way in, but he'll be claiming it.
To Di Maria. Ronaldo! Ronaldo! Cristiano Ronaldo! The king of the Bernabeu! Ronaldo, a little bit of space. Always going to go for goal and scores another super goal. Cristiano Ronaldo's double has turned this one around.
Kaka has it back. It's a good ball into the box from Kaka. Ronaldo can't put it in the back of the net. Nor can Benzema. Ronaldo has it again. And he's found the bottom corner. Cristiano Ronaldo with his back to goal.
Ronaldo looking for the hat-trick. And he's got it. Magnificent from Cristiano Ronaldo. He has made the second half his own. Ronaldo knows what he's doing, and he does it absolutely beautifully. Another special from Cristiano Ronaldo, and he's on to 49 for the season.
He's made his way forward. Bernardo Silva's got all the time in the world to pick out one of three in the middle, and Ronaldo scores just 2 minutes in. His first meaningful touch of the ball, and there's international goal number 76.
Still loads forward here, Fernandes. Ronaldo! Tottenham's nemesis with a special strike. Cristiano Ronaldo, goal number 11 against Tottenham.
Marcelo's corner. Ronaldo! One of his luckier goals, but under the tenure of Rafa Benitez, one of his more significant goals.
It's Ronaldo.
In. Under it. It is the perfect ending to the perfect night.
2 for Ronaldo, 4 for Real Madrid. Bayern Munich blown away, and Real Madrid